A patient was undergoing cholecystectomy operation. After that, endotracheal carbon dioxide decreased, blood pressure dropped, oxygen saturation also be dropped. The most probable diagnosis is carbon dioxide embolism. After carbon dioxide embolism, BP suddenly dropped, saturation of oxygen rapidly dropped. Which of the following statements true about OCD? Okay, commonest associated comorbidity is depression. Okay, it is the true answer. A patient has the following serological finding: hepatitis B surface antigen negative, anti-HBC antibody IgA positive, anti-HBC antibody IgM negative, anti-HBs antibody negative. All are negative, only positive anti-HBs antibody. So a patient is recovered from hepatitis B. So recovered from hepatitis B will be appropriate answer. Okay, which of the following not lower urinary tract symptoms? Sudden urge to urination? No. Urge to urination during sexual intercourse? Yes, it is not a lower urinary tract symptoms. Which of the following E. coli causes invasion and effacement? Invasion and effacement, mainly this is the direct line from those. It is enteropathogenic E. coli. Enteropathogenic E. coli causes invasion and effacement. Maximum dose of carbetocin used in kinase of SWOD, 100 microgram is the answer. Repeat question. Maximum dose of dopamine in which acts on the beta receptor. Okay, 0 to 2 microgram kg per minute, it is renal dose. 2 to 10 microgram per kg minute, cardiac dose. 10 to 20 microgram, it is used for shock. Okay, so cardiac dose is the dose which stimulates the beta on receptor. So answer will be 2 to 10 microgram per kg per minute. Oxygen flow rate by conventional oxygen mask is 15 liter per minute. Man was missing for last 7 days. Skeletal of his body is discovered from jungle. Which of the following finding of his bone will help the favor distinguishing the skeletal? It's male man for male. Inverted ischial spine, it is the right answer. Greater sciatic nose, narrow and small, it's also be right. Subpubic angle is U shape, no, it is for female. So multiple answer. These two are correct. Last question, 110. A burn patient presented with redness along with the vesicle over the leg caused by, its appropriate answer will be moist burn, because vesicles present. Thank you for watching.
Mm-hmm.